So now we will go through the SFC's wound score. So there are different wound scores like SFC's wound score, Southampton wound score, or surgical Apgar score. So we will all discuss in different videos. So this one I will discuss about SFC's wound score. We will see the scores, right, and then we'll come back to the slide. So this is the important topic and has been asked, so I will say to keep your attention here for a few minutes. So this is your SFC's wound score, and I will be writing its what is there in the what is the main or salient points you have to keep in mind. So the points come with its name itself, right? SFC's. So with A, just remember additional treatment. Additional treatment, right? With S, just remember it is serous discharge. So with A it is additional treatment, with S serous discharge. For E it is erythema. For P it is purulent exudate. For next S it is separation of deep tissues. For I it is isolation of bacteria from wound. For last test it is inpatient stay, means stay in the wards, right? So I am writing in short, that is inpatient stay for more than 14 days. So this concludes your SFCs, right? In brief we will see in the slides, but these things is the must that you should remember. I will repeat it once again. For A it is additional treatment, for S it is serous discharge, for E it is erythema, for P it is purulent exudate, for S it is separation of deep tissues, for I isolation of bacteria from the wound, and for last S it is inpatient stay, right, for more than 14 days, or we can say stay as inpatient prolonged over 14 days as a result of wound infection. This was written in lengthy format. I just made it short, like inpatient stay for more than 14 days. So now we'll get back to the slide, and there you can see the criteria, the points, everything you don't have to remember, or you can remember, it's up to you. But the main salient points, don't forget that these are additional treatments, antibiotics, drainage of pus, debridement, right? These things is your additional treatment, you must remember, right? And then for S it is serous discharge, erythema, purulent exudate, separation of deep tissues, isolation of bacteria, and prolonged stay for more than 14 days. This we have discussed. Just in the additional treatment, just remember these 3 points. These are antibiotics, drainage of the pus, and debridement, right? So, and you can remember the points, but this is not required as for now. This question has been asked up to this one only, right? What is included in the SFC's wound score, right? This has been asked, right? So you can I hope you understood this scoring system, and next we will see the Southampton scoring system in my next video, right? Thank you.